Hello guys, let's just hop right into the charts. This is the US100 chart. Let's go to the daily time frame. On Tuesday and Wednesday, there was a Fed testimony. Fed Chairman Powell was speaking, so we didn't trade those days as it was expected to be very volatile. It's I don't know if there are new traders. If you are new traders, you might say that you missed opportunities that day, but it's trust me, it's better not to trade on those days because there are a lot of unexpected things. There's also news today at 8:30. Durable good orders, GDP growth rate Q-on-Q final. As you can see, they both came bullish. Actually, not this one. Durable good orders came bullish, but I don't think these. I don't view them as a high impact news. Let's just look at the liquidity levels and trade according to them. Okay, this is a 4-hour chart. As you can see here, price seems to be crashing a little. The last 4-hour candle was kind of indecision. If price sells off, there's also a bullish FEG right here. And this candle low to this candle. Price could enter that. And if price continues to fall at the previous low could be its target at 22,166. Let's look at the 1 hour. Previous 1 hour candle closed bearish and it's crashing down a little. If you see, look, it pumped, took the liquidity up above this high, cleared it all, and then is crashing again. Its next sell side target could be this low, and then again this low at 22,219 and then 22,166. Let's see how does the candle close. Currently, it's in the bullish FEG right here, as you can see. Let's go to the 15-minute. In 15 minutes, it's also the same. As you can see, price rallied, took the liquidity up here, then pumping it. Price mostly tends to go from places of liquidity to other places. Basically, if you wanna ever target the price, see where the liquidity is on the main highs and the main swing lows, and also focus on the higher time frame while marking your targets. As you can see, price came down here, swept all and this, and then rally took this and is crashing down. So let's go down to the 1 minute. This candle is the 9:30 opening. Now I'm just gonna wait for it. As you know, my strategy is to a market structure shift with an FEG on with my bias. My bias today is sell, but let's see. I want to wait for the 1 hour close and trade according to that. But let's see if I can find anything. We're just gonna have to wait for it. Last 2 days were kind of boring to be honest. I When you're a trader, like you like wait for the weekdays to come and the weekends are boring. In the last 2 days, I was kind of spectating the charts. It wasn't really did take a trade. There did come a very good sell setup yesterday, but as I said, I didn't want to enter the market yesterday, so I was only spectating. Let's see now. Price seems to be dipping below a little below. One hour target is over here at 22 to 20. Let's see if I can get a sell setup over there. Is a good as sell? I'll wait for it. Price has made an FEG there. Also a market structure shift. I'm gonna be looking to sell now. If I can get a my SL over here at 295. Let's see. Okay, it's up there now. I'm going. Oh, that doesn't look good. Let's just wait till this candle closes. It doesn't look good. I think it's kind of retracing of those 1 hour refugees a little. That's why I usually tend to trade after 10. So to clear my bias for when 1 hour closes. I'm gonna be selling now. I'll put myself on the top here. And my TV will be over here. Yeah, that's enough. I kind of took a risky trade today. Mm, but I do believe it's gonna crash by looking on the higher time frames. So I just have to wait for it. Maybe I'm wrong, but it's okay. I was willing to risk for it. So I'm just gonna wait for it. Let's look at the 15 minute. There is 4 minutes left for the 15-minute candle to close and the 1 hour candle to close. To be honest, I'm not liking how it's going, but I'm still gonna hold my position. Let's see how this the 15-minute and the 1 hour goes. Mm, seems to be pumping up. Might just hit my set. Yep, it's gonna hit my set. Maybe I entered too early. It's okay, mistakes happen. Just gotta believe it. I don't think my trade is gonna be open till 1 hour or 15-minute closes. The sell is gonna get hit. Let's see. Price retraced all the way back up by tapping into these FVGs over here. Only 40 ticks left. Vessel gets hit, and it's gonna get hit. And gone. Okay. I entered way too early. Should have waited till 10. It's okay. We didn't over risk and over leverage. That's what good risk management gets you. Let's wait. Let's see. It's coming all the way up to the previous day high. Its buy side targets could be here now, 346, and then up here, 364. Let's see how this become close now. Hmm. Now I'm gonna wait for the candle to close. Gonna wait for. Okay. Those are bullish closes, to be honest. I shouldn't have entered it. A good lesson for today. Look at that. Very volatile. Maybe if a buy comes, I'm gonna take it. Hmm. You know, it would have been a very good sell if that candle just had closed bearish. But still, we can get a good trade in if I if I find a good entry. The price is very volatile right now, so let's see if it gives a tap in towards these effigies over here and then pumps, then we can get a good entry. For now, I don't see a good entry. This is the 5 minute chart. I'm gonna wait for it. Now I'm gonna wait for it. You know, sometimes these losses get in your head. Like this loss has got into my head. I don't know why I was in such a rush. Should have just waited. It wasn't feeling right. Now I'm gonna wait if I can find a second trade. According to my rules, I only take two trades in a day, not more than that. I mostly only take one trade when I win, and also stop when I lose one trade. Only delay it when I think there's another move coming, and maybe sometimes you're just caught on the wrong side, as it as it happened with me today. Caught on the wrong side. It it tapped into all these refugees and pumped. I thought it's gonna close bearish and then it's gonna crash. It's okay. Today's lesson was a big that always wait. Don't be in a rush. Now I'm gonna wait. I can target this high over here at 365, but for that I'm gonna need a good entry. The price is not giving me that. Maybe if I can find a good trade over here, then I will get it. Let's see. It has come down a little. After clearing this, it has just stripped it. It's gonna go there again. But we need to find a good entry, because if we take a trade now, we have to put ourselves like below down here, and that's a very big asset. And our target is not that much. Our target is only 400 hits at above data. So we're gonna have to wait and see if price gives an entry. It may not give us an entry, and that's also fine. Sometimes you're gonna end the day on loss. But but what is this? To try to end the month on green. Okay. If your month ends green, even if it's $1, $2, that's good. That's a win. Now it has come below. I'm still gonna wait. This low is at 256, and we need to put ourselves at least here at 273. That will still be considered a good asset, but I don't think price is gonna retrace all the way back there. Okay, it might take long still. Might. In this bullish FG, it might tap into it. Maybe we can get a short trade over here. 1:1. Maybe. Let's see. Maybe we don't get a trade at all. Prices tap into this bullish FG right here. Price has also made a bearish FG over here, but I don't think it's soft out value. Is that important? I think I'm gonna wait for the 15-minute candle to close and then decide where I'm gonna take trade. Because to be honest, like price has taken a lot of buy side liquidity. It, and it also has made a bullish FEG that is untapped. It should be at least retracing down into it a little. Let's see. Price is kind of in its all-time highs. Just gonna have to wait here. This is the yearly chart. Nasdaq has been pumping a lot. 3 minutes left for the 15-minute candle to close. It did not get a good entry, but I might buy if like price makes a bullish FPG with momentum over here. Price has closed this bearish FPG with this candle violated, you can say. Let's just wait for the 15-minute candle to close. Only 2 minutes left, approximately, and it will give me a good idea if the price is gonna pump more or go down a little. Retrace it. And that's what I want to see. 2 minutes left. Seems to be going up. I don't want to put my targets above here. That is the target which is the easiest to get hit. So I want to target this, but price has to be made it is at least 400 ticks to target this. Maybe it should be around 3 to 5 right here. If the candle closes like that, I want to get into a entry. So we're just gonna wait for it. Price has made relative 3 equal lows, equal highs. As you can see, all that here, it seems to have a hard time going up. But that's what's definitely gonna take all this and go into this bearish application. I think so. But I wanna see how this the 15-minute candle is to take a tour. And it's also a very big chance that we might not find a good trade today. Okay, the 15-minute candle has ended now. It gave kind of a bullish close. Let's just wait for a good entry. 1 hour is also kind of bullish. Went all the way down here, tapped into this bullish effigies, and then is retraced all the way back, leaving a very big wave. Now I'm gonna wait on the 1 minute and see. It did come to 3 to 5, but as I said, there is no entry yet. It could easily retrace all the way down there, so I don't want to take this trade. Price seems to be pumping up now. It has also made a bullish effigy, but to be honest, I don't trust it. It would be better if you're looking for a buy. It would be better to wait until price gives us a strong momentum above here. Until then, it's very risky to buy. I'm not gonna be doing anything. I'm gonna have to wait for it. Price was volatile, but seems to be a little slow now. It's kind of consolidating. My laptop's battery is running. Budget Committee. Price was volatile over here, but it has become slow now. It would be bad to buy if price doesn't give us a strong bullish momentum above here, because price seems, but I think its price is gonna take these highs over here. Maybe I'm just gonna spectate today. It's hard to fire put targets. I'm only gonna be trading if I find a very good trade. We can't even go for a buy here because until price breaks above those highs, a buy would be risky because price could easily go back down here and retrace a little into these bullish refugees. And that's a little good momentum. Can price hold it? Can just good. Maybe we might get a good sell. Might. That's a very big might. Still, when price takes all this liquidity, so we're gonna wait for it because a buy right now is risky. Took a risky trade last time and I paid the price for it because I thought, oh, price is come up, it's gonna crash, and I found a good risk. But that wasn't it. I should have waited for the 1 hour close. As you can see, it did go up there again, saved all that liquidity, and then still is coming back down. As you can see, price is feeling a little resistance over here. Price has become very slow to be honest. Like move a little, pump or dump, do something, man. You're just gyrating around this little range for the past what, almost half an hour. Let's see. 15-minute candle closes that bullish. There's a very big chance that it's gonna go up there at 365. But as I said, it's hard to put a target over there because I don't know how much above it's gonna go. Some people use Fibonacci for that, but I usually tend to wait it out if I don't find it good. My trading style is just pure price action. Swing highs, swing lows, and break the structure. Simple. Keep it simple, keep it steady. So let's wait for it. 15-minute candle is about to close now. 15-minute candle has closed bullish. As I've said before in the past, I don't like to take any trades between 10:30 to 10:45. There's a lot of manipulation between this time frame. I don't want to take a trade. I'm not going to be taking a trade between this time frame. So I'm going to still be waiting till 10:45 and let's see what happens. To be honest, I would like it to pump, take all that buy side, go till 365 and what above if it wants, and then gives me a good sell around 10:45 or 10:50. That would be my ideal scenario. But let's see. We don't always get what we want to. Whoa, that pump was instant. At last, a little volatility. Okay, price has taken that high about there. Now we just have to wait for it. Maybe it's gonna pump a little. To be honest, it's showing a lot of bullish momentum. It could rally, but I don't think it's gonna rally much. I honestly, according to the daily time frames, I want to see a retracement. According to the daily chart, like it has taken a lot of liquidity from here and here. It has also made a bullish FEG over here. So I would really like it to see a tab into this bullish FEG. And let's see if our dream scenario plays out more. And still, I'm not gonna be taking any trade between these 15 minutes. I'm gonna wait till 10:45. That was a big bearish candle. Price closed this FEG. Let's see. I don't think it's gonna crash that quickly. I think it's gonna gyrate up a little bit. To be honest, waiting in trading is the hard thing. Taking trade is just, as you can see, dopamine rush. Just wait and sip tea. Price seems to be stuck there a little. Let's see if our dream scenario plays out. If it plays out, it would be great. It's currently 10:41 now, so approximately 4 minutes left. 5 minutes. Seems to be crashing down a little. I'll just wait till I find a good entry. 2 minutes left now, approximately. Let's see where does it go. Higher or low. It also kind of depends on the 15-minute close. That will give us a good idea. 'I want to go short, as you can see here, it has taken all the buy-side liquidity. I wanted to tap into that. The last is bullish FEG, which is here. So I want to go and sell. I'm gonna wait and see if I can find a sell. 20 seconds left for the 15-minute candle to close. Okay, kind of has closed. Did close red, but it's not very bearish, but not bullish either. It is kind of bearish, but not that. It's definitely not bullish. I'm gonna wait on the 1 minute and see if I can get a good entry. Up until now, there is no bearish effigy. There's only one here. So again, we gotta work for it. Since my first trade was since my first trade has ended in a loss, I'm going only gonna be taking a good setup. In my last trade, I rushed in, to be honest. I paid the price for it, but it's okay. We learn from our mistakes. Well, it seems to have a hard time leaving this area from here till here. Get stuck in this area, not moving upwards or lower. I want to see a sell trade, a good setup. Will I get it or not? That we could wait for. Hmm. If one or closes like this, it will be hard to go down. So I want to see a good setup close down here. There is an untapped bearish effigy over here, as you can see. It's 10:50 now. I want it to crash lower than here, lower than this, and then close the 1 hour candle. That would be great, to be honest. But let's see if we're gonna get what we want. There's still an anti-bearish FEG over here. It might be looking great into that. Come on, man, like do something. Running out of patience already. If 1 hour closes bearish, oh, I mean bullish, I'm gonna just close the screen. I know when to walk away. I'm not gonna be taking foolish trades. And the odds are low. And it's risky. So let's see. Approximately 5 minutes left for the 1 hour to close. Let's see how does the 1 hour close. If 1 hour close is bullish, I'm just gonna leave it. It's better not to take foolish trades. Know when to walk away. I want to see a sell setup, but it isn't forming yet, so it's better to. It says that code goes live to fight another day. Approximately 3 minutes left for the 1 hour to close. Price seems to be stuck here. It was volatile before the opening, but as soon as it got here in this range of almost 300 ticks, I'm just gonna wait and see how does the 1 hour close. I don't think I'm gonna get my wish today. I'm not gonna get a sell setup that I wish for, but that's okay. It looks kind of bullish in 1 hour. The price is at all times high, so I don't really know where to target. So it would be better just to wait it out. Almost 1 minute left for the 1 hour to close. Let's wait for it. I don't think price is gonna pump that much according to the daily time frame. It might go up a little, but I think it's gonna retrace down to this bullish FVG. Price has taken a lot of buy side liquidity, so it's better that it. So the probability of it retracing is very high, and the game trading is a game of probabilities. One hour is closed now, and it did not give a bearish close. So I'm just gonna be ending my stream now. We are still up on the month, plus $900. Today, tomorrow will be the last trading day of this month. I normally do 5 to 6%. I just started late on this account. This is a 100K paper trading account. I only show my results through here. I do have a funded account though. I streamed very less during this month. I'm up four. I'm up 6% on my funded account. Still, the month is going good. Hopefully, I'll stream more regularly next month. So until I see you again, take care.